Come on in. Let's have a look at room 582. Hi, Michelle here from Travelling Over 60. Come join me on this adventure. This is our room at Sun Peaks Grand, room 582. Now, just looking, this, light came on, is the cupboard, robes, ironing board, iron, okay, a little coffee station. Over this way is the bathroom. Now let's look at the floor. No trip hazard there. Toilet, towels and things, plenty of towels there. There's a hairdryer. So far, all the hotels have had all of those things. Okay, it's another shower over the bath. And another curtain. Oh well, I've just got to put up with these things when you're travelling, I suppose. But be careful. Now there is products in here. These are the products in the bathroom. So we've got all three: shampoo, conditioner and body wash. That's always good. It does have a non-slip mat there to put in the bath so you don't slip. But they're still very slippery even with the mats in them. Okay, some more products there. Some lotion. And a little soap there for washing your hands. Let's go out here. Whole full length mirror, that's always great. Now, we've got a huge bed. Bedside tables are really big as well, which is always good for me because I like to put the phone and bits and pieces on the side of the bed before I go to sleep. It looks like USB ports around the lamp. That's a good thing. Here's a close-up look for you. It has a plug as well as a USB port, and we found that a lot of the hotels did this. So check your lamps to see if that's where they are. Okay, we've got a drawer. Oh, soft closing. Now a whole lot of drawers there. So you've put your bag there and unpack into the drawers. Big TV. Okay, along here. A little table with two little chairs. That's nice. Mirror. Plenty of lamps around the place. A nice comfy chair with a footstool. Okay, now there's a clock and a phone. They've been in every room. Yes, this one has USB ports as well. Okay, view out the window. Let's see if there is one. Just out into the little courtyard and the mountains. That's a nice view. Close that up. What else? Okay, on the lamp, there is some outlets. I don't know if it focused on that. So, some outlets there. As for other outlets, there's USB ports. The light switches are quite big, which is always good too. Especially if you're visually impaired, you can really get a good feel on the light. Okay, I'll have to keep searching the room to see if I can find more outlets, but there's more than enough USB ports. Also here on the coffee station, so you get pods, some tea bags. There's an ice bucket and wine glasses if you want that. But there's also some outlets there if you need it. Now under the coffee station, there's some cupboards and a small fridge. Oh, but it's very cold. I can feel the coldness coming out. Even though that room had a few hazards, it was still an amazing room. And if I had the choice to stay there again, yes, I would stay there again. The few little things that were hazards, I would definitely be able to fix myself. Hopefully you know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to leave a comment down below, that's where the comments are. Or even the share button. The share button's down below as well. Share it with your friends. It might help somebody else. And if you haven't already subscribed, go across, subscribe to my channel. If you have, thanks so much for doing that. It really helps me. Thanks for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. This is just a hobby for me, and it's great that you're coming along my adventure with me.